Cozy How-To, your place for a snuggly warm learning experience. This is PowerPoint presentation lesson number 3, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to save your PowerPoint presentation. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is go to the upper left hand corner of your screen and click on the orange reddish button that says File. So go ahead and left click on that. And when you left click on that, it's going to bring up another dialog menu. Within this menu, you have 3 different sections, but we're going to focus on the first section where it says Save and Save As. By default, when you first save a presentation, it's going to use the Save As option. Regardless if you choose Save or Save As, it's going to use the Save As option. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose Save As, and it brings up the Save As dialog. And the first thing you want to do is choose where you want to save your content. In this case, I'm going to change the folder because I don't want to save it where it's currently at. So I'm going to save it in Tutorial Files PowerPoint folder. Okay, so once you pick where you want to save your presentation, the next thing you want to do is look at the file name and the Save As type. In this case, PowerPoint has given me a generic name, Presentation 2, but I want to change that. So I'm going to change it to Cozy How-To File 1. And then for the Save As type, I'm going to leave it as PowerPoint Presentation. And what that means is that you're going to be able to open it in PowerPoint 2010 and PowerPoint version 2007. Okay, assuming that you are using PowerPoint 2010. So once you have that set, let's go ahead and hit save. And now you have a saved copy of your PowerPoint presentation. So let's go ahead and close out PowerPoint and reopen it again. And then go to File, Open, and we're going to go back to the folder that we saved our presentation in. So click on Cozy How-To File 1, click Open, and you'll see that it reopens the presentation that we were working on. But let's say that we wanted to save a revision of this presentation. So let's click on Cozy How-To Tutorials and change the S to a Z. And let's say that it took us a whole hour to add that Z. I know that's not the case, but for imagination's sake, we're going to say that it took us an hour. And we want to save a second revision of this document. So what you would do is go to File, Save As. Save As is going to allow you to save a new revision of that document. In this case, we changed the S to a Z, so we're going to save the new copy that has the Z in it. So click Save As, and this time we're going to change the file name to Cozy How-To File number 2. If you leave the file name the same, it's going to overwrite that same existing file, and it's not going to create a new revision. So once you change the file name, let's go ahead and hit save. Okay? And let's go ahead and close PowerPoint out again, and we're going to open it back up, and we're going to choose File, Open, and we're going to go back to that same folder where we saved our presentation files. So I'm going to open up Cozy How-To File number 1, and you'll see that it has the S in it. And then if we go to File, Open again, and we choose Cozy How-To File number 2, and click Open, you'll see that it has the Z in it. And the purpose of using Save As is so that, if one of your files go corrupt, you have multiple revisions of the file, and there's a good chance that one of those files will not be corrupted. So make sure you're using a combination of Save As and Save when you're working with a PowerPoint presentation. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to embed, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for future tutorials from Cozy How-To, your place for a snuggly warm learning experience. Have a great day.